So let's learn how IQ option work, and we are actually going to do this in a practical way. So what's the IQ option? Is a platform that allows you to trend when the market is moving up or down, and you can trade all the commodities 24/7 every single day. So this is what you get. Now, to have a chart like this, like me here, what you just need to do is, for example, to go on the left and go to the candlesticks here, and then you instead, because you are going to get yours like this, so you just need to go and select these and move all the way to candles that we really have there. And then you just need, if for example you need to switch to live account, because you can see this is my live account that I have here. If you just want to deposit, it's very easy. Just go to the deposit and then select M-Pesa. Now there's one thing that I want you to understand here is, for example, make sure that you use the link in the description, because anytime you make a deposit, if you're going to make a deposit of $10,000, $1,000, you're going to get multiple of that. Like when you deposit $5,000, you're going to get it just $10,000, and you're going to use it to trend. So that is what you are really going to get here. It's really amazing. Now let's see what we have. For example, when it comes to deposit, you click deposit, you go to the M-Pesa, you go to the M-Pesa here. So let's see, I'm getting errors. So you go to M-Pesa here, so you select, for example, it is $1,000, and you can deposit up to 700. So let's see, $700, and then you go put your number. So this is my number in case you have any question, and then you click deposit. Of course, it will prompt your M-Pesa, and you are going to go. Now here you're on the chart. Down here you can actually put all the indicators that you really want. Is on the second where there is N5 here. You can select at least 10, or you can actually go even to 15. Right, and then here you can go and click that one, then just go to the indicators. You need to select one here. It can be either volume or volatility. Then you can select Bollinger Band and then select that one. So that is the one that is going to be on the chart. It's going to tell you where the market is really moving. For example, this market is on the top of the Bollinger Band here, so there's a probability it's going to move down just like that. So let me show you. For example, let the market come down or up, then I'm going to show you how the market is really going to behave here. Let's see first of all the pattern on how the market is moving. So you can see it is market that is very volatile. It's moving down. So let's see if it's moving. We're going to move up. So we create one candle down, and then we buy. One candle down, and then we buy. We say it's going to move up. Let's see, one. I just need one. Oh, it's almost to move up. So you can see actually the Bollinger Band works so well. So around that area the market has moved up. So we need to time it. So I need to put the amount here, and I'm going to put 60. So we need at least to generate $300 in this case. I see we're going to touch 222. Right now it has the center. So I'll point that one, let it come to the lower side. This is USD JPY. So one just more candle, then of course you can see it is pointing up again. So one more candle down like that, and then we click enter again. So I'm in. So I'm in again. And boom, you can see now we have already achieved 22,020. You can actually have different analysis. It can actually be either this or maybe another one that you're actually going to be using. You can just have fun. For example, in the demo, that was actually a real account, and that's how I was observing this so well to make sure that we don't lose money right here. So use the link below to register to IQ options. For any question, make sure that you just contact me. All right.